This is injector contact with piston. Then we disassemble to find out the level of repair required. So fortunately the nozzle tip is still in good condition. So I'm going to have to replace this and then this tip. So from the old one I'm going to pick this, so it's still in good condition, so I'm going to have to use this for this. So this is the old one, so I'm going to have to use this. I will replace this, the old seal, this new seal. This one is damaged, this one is damaged, so I have the right match for it, so I'm going to so this is a very good match for this. Tight full. Okay, injector is ready for use. Repair option completed. This is a fail component with contact with piston. This one is failed, so we can use this new seal.